What's up, motherfucker? Money making guide. You make money in this guide. The hell? I don't need the money. Okay, so this is gonna list some of the ways I did to make my money. Like currently at 8 mil. With all this stuff, dragon stuff, and all this stuff. Okay, these are like non-tradable. Only some of them are. Only most of them are, and some of them are. Okay, you guys just saw my bank, but okay. All these items are worth like about 8 mil now. So I'll show you how I make these money. How I make, how I made the money to get these items. Well, let me just show you guys. I was at level 29 when I hit all of them. So like you can still do it when you are new. Combat, you don't really. I made like maybe 100k. That's it from doing Slayer. That's all. Cause I was trying to get my combat up, but it's like so fucking boring. I don't like combat. Okay, most of the money I made like 5 mil from my fletching. Okay, so right now I'm in the Grand Exchange. So what do you want to do? Okay, the starting money is like 0. Okay. You need nothing to start this method. So like what I actually have it, I just gotta buy some stuff. So like what do you want to do if you don't have any money? Like, well, I'm pretty sure if you're a member you should have at least maybe 100k. Okay, so when you don't have any money, I'm not gonna go there and show you guys that, so like please don't. Like, I'm pretty lazy, so the fucking there we go. Somehow get there using your map. Okay, so you start your journey right here. I'm pretty sure you guys are at least level like 20 when you start this game. When you get a membership. I'm pretty sure, because if you're really new with this game, then there's no point of getting a membership. So anyway, you guys know where's Steer's Village, right? Somehow walk there, teleport there, do whatever, just get there. So pick flags, pick at least like maybe 1k or okay 500. It takes like 1 hour to get 1k, so like 30 minutes to like 500. So like just get those. Don't sell them. Actually no, just sell them. No, don't sell them. Sell half of them, okay? Anyway, so once you have like at least some money, I don't know, I suggest 10k maybe, or maybe not 10k. 10k is like too low. 20, 50, 100, 1 mil. Oh my god, you're lucky if you have 1 mil at like low level. So yeah. Okay, what the fuck did I just say? I'm so screwed. Okay, so your Grand Exchange, ignore these. I'm just like merchanting. I'll show you that too. Alright, so you wanna buy U-logs, or if you wanna save your money, then you can just go cut them. I'm pretty sure you guys know where to cut them by like level 60 wood cutting. Alright, let's say you want to buy 1k. Okay, I don't have the money right now. I'm just showing you for like methods. So let's just buy like 5, 10 is good. 10 what the fuck. Alright, that's like fucking expensive. Okay, then. Okay, how I made my 5 mil off of this, I bought flags. So I bought flags, and then, okay, so you have your items. So what you do, oh, by the way, you need like 60, 70 fletching for this method. It takes a day to get it, so like, don't be a lazy ass, cause it is worth it, and you get a 99. You get your fletching 99. So you get all your items that you needed. Then, fucking lie. You use your knife. Okay, what I did from level 70, I used SC knives, steel and creation knives for extra experience, so I can get my 99 fast. But if you use these this, it will take long, but you will make more money. So like you use this, and then you fletch them all. U-long. Don't do use short bows, because you lose a lot of money. You do lose a lot of money, so don't do that. Okay, so once you have them fleshed, you go to lumberage. Okay, bank, and then get a teleport. Wow, I'm such a dumbass. I don't even have the fucking teleport. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. Finally. Okay, so the lumberage teleport thingy won't, like, the teletabs or whatever you call them. Teletabs. Won't sell. So what I did to get here, I took the little boat. You know, you use your freaking hatchet and you get here. Whatever. Okay. So once you have flash, like, maybe what I did, I bought like 5k U-logs, and then I bought 5k flags. So I flashed them all, and then I spin them to get the thingies, bowstrings, and then I got to level 63. So use these, like, I spent 5k at a time. And what the hell? You click on the little spinning wheel, and then you click all of those strings. So this is what I did. Of course, I didn't stare at my the Runescape thingy, the Runescape screen. I watched videos. I played games. Yeah, it is hard to play games. I was playing Call of Duty online. It was fucking hard because I was into Call of Duty more than Runescape, and I wouldn't look up till like 15 minutes, and I was like, oh my god. So, like, yeah, and I watched video. I watched lots of stuff. Okay, the 10% of the thing goes to Nightmare RH for getting me 99, because I actually watched all his videos 10 times. So go to his watch his videos. He's awesome. So I'll just put an annotation right here. Alright, anyway, back to the video. So I only made 5 mil off this thing because I stopped at level 90, because I really got like into 99 fletching. I really wanted 99, so what I did, I stopped at spinning flex at 90. But if you do this to 99, you're guaranteed to get like 13 mil. But if the price changes, you might get a little low or a little higher. That'll be great. So yeah. But if you use normal fletching knives, you get maybe more. You get like 16 mil because you flashed more of the U-logs. But I did